Hello everyone, welcome to Sam's Science View channel. In today's video, we are going to listen to a science fact how zippers work. So before getting into the video, please watch this entire video, and if you have any clarifications regarding the science facts, you can comment about it. I will rectify it, and you can get it cleared through this channel. Now let's get into the video. This zipper or a zip fastener is a mechanical device used for closing two open ends of fabric or any material. Basically, the zipper consists of two rows of teeth facing each other with a small offset. Each teeth is not placed exactly opposite to other teeth. It is misplaced by a small distance. The Y-shaped slider which runs along the tooth does the job of attaching and detaching. Each teeth has a small slot where the other teeth gets hooked up. The slider has an internal passage which makes both the rows of teeth to meet at a desired angle. When the tooth meet at the desired angle, the teeth gets hooked with the teeth in the opposite row. When the slider is moved in the opposite direction, the tooth get detached from each other. The working of the zipper can be seen clearly through this graphic and picture shown. Observe the slot at the free end of each teeth. This makes the zip to close or open. Getting in depth, a zipper track is made up of dozens of teeth, each of which combines a hook and a hollow. The idea is to latch every hook on each of the two tracks into a hollow on the opposite track. The latching mechanism called the slide is just a collection of wedges. As the slide moves up the zipper, the two teeth strips must enter at a specific angle. As the strips move through the slide's inclined edges push the teeth toward each other. The strips are offset from each other, so each hollow settles onto a hook in sequence. For this to work properly, each tooth must be exactly the same size and shape, and they all must be perfectly positioned on the track. This would be all but impossible without modern manufacturing technology. In a well made zipper, the interlocking teeth form an incredibly secure bond, which is very difficult to separate the teeth by pulling the two strips apart. But the slide can easily separate the teeth using a simple plow shaped wedge. When the slide is pulled down, the wedge pushes against the slanted edges of the hooks, pivoting each tooth off the tooth below it. Just like that, the zipper tracks are detached. You have been using zippers your entire life, but when it comes to understanding how zippers work, you likely only care when one breaks. Few people know the fascinating history of the history, let alone the mechanics of how they work. You can keep reading to learn more about this timeless piece of engineering. Now let's know about the components of a zipper. To understand how zippers work, you should know the pieces that comprise a zipper. While not all zippers are the same, they typically have some common components. The elements of zipper include the track, which consists of teeth or coils that interlock, the slider body that separates and joins the teeth together, the pull tab that allows you to use the slider, the top and bottom stop, which prevents the zipper from coming apart at each end, and the tap, which is the fabric to which the teeth are attached. The basic mechanics of a zipper revolve around the interlocking teeth. Zippers have two stripes consisting of many teeth that are designed like a hook and hollow and must interlock at a specific angle. The zipper slide is a latching mechanism that is engineered to connect and separate the teeth. The stripes of teeth are slightly offset from each other, allowing them to interlock. With a well made zipper, only the slide will be able to undo the teeth. Zippers come in all sorts of shapes and sizes. Heavy duty zippers tend to be larger, while thin zippers are vulnerable to breakage. Typical zipper materials include molded plastic, metal, and nylon coil, but you have many other options when it comes to zippers too. The type of zipper you are using will depend on the item it is attached to. For instance, stops are needed for backpacks but wouldn't be helpful for on a jacket. Common zipper styles include closed end zippers, separating zippers, two-way separating zippers, invisible zippers. You can use your knowledge of understanding how zippers work to level up your clothes, making endeavors or better repair the next broken zipper on your jacket, purse, or tent. Zippers can burst when the teeth or slider become damaged. This small piece of engineering has a lot of applications. It is even used in space suits and pressure suits developed by NASA. If you see this zipper in a purse, jacket, or in any bag, don't just go away. Just think about it, how it works, and be scientific. So that's it for today's video. I hope so you got some scientific facts related to how this zipper works. And if you have any clarifications about your science facts, you can comment it through this science fact treasury series. Get it cleared, and we will meet in the next video with the next science fact. Until then, it's goodbye from Sam. Take care.